What are input devices and what are output devices? We will learn all the concept of this topic in this video. So let's start the video. A computer cannot work alone. It needs devices to receive information and devices to show results. These devices are called input devices and output devices. Now we will learn what are input devices. Input devices are hardware devices used to enter data or instruction into a computer. Simple definition: an input device is a device that sends information to the computer. Examples of input devices are given below. You can read this and learn. For example, keyboard, mouse, microphone, sound scanner. These are all input devices. So now we will study why these devices are important. They help user communicate with the user computer. They allow us to enter data and instructions. Without input devices, a computer cannot receive information. Input devices are very important. What are output devices? So the output devices are hardware devices that show the results processed by the computer. Simple definition: an output device is a device that receives information from a computer. Output devices are also very important. Some examples of output devices are given below. For example, monitor, printer, speakers, headphones, projector, plotter. You can read this all. Now, why output devices are important? They show the results of computer processing. They help users see, hear, or print information. Without output devices, user cannot know what the computer has done. Now we will learn simple difference between input and output devices. So let's start. Number 1, input devices. Input devices sends data to the computer. Number 2, user used to enter information. Some of examples are keyboard and mouse, because it enters the data to the computer. Now output devices. Number 1, receive data from computer. Number 2, use to show results. Examples of output devices are monitor and printer, because it shows us the result. Thanks for the watching. Kindly subscribe the channel for upcoming more interesting and educational videos. Allah Hafiz.